request, my Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice to deliver your Lordship's speech.
My esteemed brother, Justice Manmadha Rao, my esteemed sister and brother judges, Shri Chala Dhananjay, Additional Solicitor General, Shri D. Srinivas, Advocate General, Shri K. Chidambaram, President, AP High Court Advocates Association, Shri P. Punna Rao, Deputy Solicitor General, Shri M. Lakshmi Narayana, Public Prosecutor, Shri E. Samasiva Pratap, Additional Advocate General, Law Officers, learned senior advocates and members of the Bar, members of the Judicial Fraternity, officers of the Registry, family members of Justice Manmadha Rao, ladies and gentlemen. We have assembled here to bid an affectionate adieu to our esteemed brother, Justice Manmadha Rao, upon his transfer to the High Court of Karnataka. Born in Mayapadu, village of Nellore district, Justice Rao had his schooling in Guntur, Prakasham and Nellore districts by virtue of his father's employment as an engineer. He graduated in commerce from CSR Sarma College and in law from Nyaya Vidya Parishad Law College. Later he did his masters in law from PG College of Law, Hyderabad, and doctorate in law from Andhra University. Justice Rao was enrolled as an advocate on the rolls of the Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh on 25th of June 91 and joined office of Mr. N. Ranga Rao, advocate in Hon'ble, and continued as such before starting his independent practice in Kandukur. Later he shifted practice to the High Court of Andhra Pradesh at Hyderabad. He served as standing counsel for several central government undertakings as Special Public Prosecutor for Enforcement Directorate and also Directorate of Revenue Intelligence for NDPS cases. His practice included a diverse range of litigation. Justice Manmadha Rao was awarded Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Gyan Vigyan Ratna Award 2014. He was actively involved in teaching and delivered lectures on Central Excise Law in National Academy of Customs, Indirect Taxes and Narcotics, Zonal Campus at Vishakhapatnam. Justice Manmadha Rao could make a mark in the legal profession with his good understanding of law and amiable manners. His hard work and professional competence established him well in the profession and earned him a large clientele. His talent was well recognized, and considering his talent and potential, he was elevated to the bench and was sworn in as a judge of this court on 8th of December 21. My association with Justice Manmadha Rao began upon my taking over as Chief Justice of this court in July 2023. I found him to be affable, courteous and hardworking. Justice Manmadha Rao has been a member of various committees, including the Transfers and Postings Committee of Civil Judges Senior Division, the committee dealing with acquisition and disposal of properties by judicial officers also. Apart from the contribution made by Justice Manmadha Rao on the administrative side, he made significant contributions on the judicial side as well. During his tenure in this court, Justice Manmadha Rao has disposed of about 11,000 cases, and while doing so, he has shown his dexterity and legal acumen in all branches of law. Justice Manmadha Rao endeared himself to the members of the bar as also his colleagues on the bench. As he prepares to depart from this court to join as a judge of the High Court of Karnataka, I have to say that he will be missed by all of us. I have no doubt that Justice Manmadha Rao would endear himself to both the members of the bar as also his colleagues on the bench in the High Court of Karnataka as well, and would further enhance its prestige through his hard work and dedication. I, on behalf of my sister and brother judges, wish Justice Manmadha Rao a fulfilling and satisfying tenure as a judge of the High Court of Karnataka.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I request the learned Additional Solicitor General of India for the State of Andhra Pradesh to speak on behalf of the legal fraternity.
My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice, other companion judges, the Advocate General, Mr. Srinivas, President of the Bar Association, Mr. Sri Chidambaram, Public Prosecutor, Mr. Lakshmi Narayana, and my Deputy Solicitor General, Mr. Punnarao. Esteemed colleagues and members of the bar and distinguished guests, it is an honor to stand before you all today to bid farewell to our esteemed Honorable Judge, Sri Dr. K. Manmadha Rao, who is moving to a new location, Karnataka High Court. Justice Manmadha Rao was born on 13/2/1967 at Maipadu village in Nellore district. His Lordship had his schooling at Guntur, Prakasam and Nellore district. Mr. Justice Rao completed his law course from Nyaya Vidya Parishad Law College, affiliated to Andhra University, and was also Students' Union during the period. His Lordship had enrolled as a member of the Bar Council in the year 1991 and commenced his practice in subordinate courts at Kandukuru, Ongole district. His Lordship also served as a Secretary of the Bar Association Kandukur during his practicing days at Kandukur. Thereafter, his Lordship shifted the practice to High Court and served as a standing counsel for various central government undertakings. If I start mentioning the names of those central government, it takes another 5 to 10 minutes. So I stop there, here itself. His Lordships also served as a Special Public Prosecutor for ED for Hyderabad zone, especially for PMLA cases. After successfully practicing as an advocate for more than 3 decades, his Lordship served as a Judge of High Court of Andhra Pradesh on 8/12/2021. His Lordship married to Srimati K. Sunita and blessed with 2 sons, Kaushik, Mr. Kaushik and Mr. Subhash, now practicing advocates of our High Court. His Lordship was empaneled as a member of the Senior Panel Council for the Union of India in the High Court of Telangana and the High Court of Andhra Pradesh. Mr. Rao received numerous awards such as PhD Doctor in Law from Andhra University and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Jnana Vijnana Ratna Award 2014, presented by the Honorable Justice Sri Chalmeshwar, former Judge of Supreme Court of India, and organized by Research Commissioner, Government of AP and AP Bhavan, SC/ST Employees Welfare Association, New Delhi, on the eve of 123rd birth ceremony and celebrations of Dr. Ambedkar, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. Rao did academic projects, intellectual properties rights and disputes settlement mechanism, a critical study, banking transactions through net services, legal changes on net banking services, computer crimes and frauds in the banking transactions, disciplinary proceedings and domestic inquiry in APSRTC consumer privileges under the Consumer Protection Act or consumer justice. During his tenure, his Lordship has demonstrated unwavering commitment to justice, fairness, and compassion. Mr. Rao have marked by wisdom, insight, and a deep understanding of the law. It is so astonishing to learn that his Lordship had disposed of nearly 12,000 by today. Yesterday it was 11,978 or so. So approximately in 728 days, his Lordship has delivered numerous landmark judgments, among which one of the most significant was pronouncement of judgment in Telugu, which reflects his deep respect for regional language and accessibility of justice. During his tenure, his Lordship graciously attended the inauguration for the newly established court complex in his native place, Singarayakonda. We are grateful for the time you have spent with us and the contributions you have made. Your legacy will live on, and we will always remember your dedication to justice. As we bid farewell to His Lordship, we wish him the very best in his future endeavors. May his new role be filled with success, joy, and continued service to the people of our nation.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, I request the Learned Advocate General, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, to deliver his speech on behalf of the legal fraternity.
The Honorable Chief Justice Dheeraj Singh Tagorji, Honorable Sri Justice K. Manmadha Rao, Honorable Companion Judges, the Additional Solicitor General of India, the Deputy Solicitor General of India, the Public Prosecutor, the President, AP High Court Advocates Association, Registrars, Senior Counsel, Law Officers, members of legal fraternity and esteemed colleagues, respected family and friends of Honorable Sri Justice K. Manmadha Rao. It is with a profound sense of mixed emotions, pride in His Lordship's distinguished service and the inevitable sadness of parting that we gather here today to extend our respectful farewell to Honorable Sri Justice Kumbhajadala Manmadha Rao upon his transfer as a judge of the Honorable Karnataka High Court, as we bid adieu to an eminent jurist whose wisdom and integrity have left an enduring imprint upon this institution. We are filled with both admiration and a sense of loss. Honorable Justice K. Manmadha Rao was born on the 13th day of February 1967 in Maipadu village of Nellore district. He is the son of Sri K.J. Ramamurthy, a retired engineer from Irrigation Department, and Srimati K. Jhansi Lakshmi, a devoted homemaker. His Lordship's early life was nurtured by the values of discipline, dedication, and service imparted by his esteemed parents. His schooling took him across the districts of Guntur, Prakasam, and Nellore, owing to his father's official assignments. He pursued his intermediate studies at Jawahar Bharati College, Kavali in Nellore district, thereafter earning a degree in commerce from CSR Sharma College affiliated with Nagarjuna University. His Lordship then proceeded to undertake legal studies at Nyaya Vidya Parishad Law College affiliated with Andhra University, where he distinguished himself not only in academics but also in leadership, serving as the Students' Union General Secretary during the academic year 1989-90. His academic journey continued with a postgraduate diploma in cyber laws from Hyderabad Central University, a master's degree from PG College of Law, Usmania University, and ultimately a PhD in law from Andhra University, culminating in a rare blend of academic rigor and practical legal acumen. Enrolled with the Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh on the 25th June 1991, His Lordship began his legal career as a junior advocate under Sri Nagishetty Mohan Das in Ongole, before establishing an independent practice in Kandukur, where he also served as Secretary of the Bar Association. His legal practice soon expanded to the Common High Court of Andhra Pradesh at Hyderabad. Throughout his illustrious career at the bar, His Lordship rendered distinguished service as counsel for several esteemed institutions, including BSNL, Unit Trust of India, Corporation Bank, State Bank of India, Andhra Bank, AP Mahesh Cooperative Bank, and the Life Insurance Corporation. He also extended his counsel to several chit fund companies, demonstrating the breadth and versatility of his practice. In his capacity as Senior Standing Counsel for the Central Excise Board, as Special Public Prosecutor for the Enforcement Directorate, and as Standing Counsel for the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, His Lordship conducted a multitude of complex and high-stake cases ranging from matters under the PMLA Act to prosecutions under the NDPS Act, leaving an enduring legacy of a legal acumen, distinction, and integrity. In addition to his institutional engagements, His Lordship during his years in private practice appeared in numerous matters on behalf of the poor and vulnerable, thereby upholding the noble cause of access to justice. His Lordship has also made valuable academic contributions, undertaking projects and delivered lectures on wide array of subjects. Recognizing his achievements, His Lordship was conferred a PhD in law and the prestigious Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Vigyan Rath Award in 2014. On the personal front, His Lordship is supported by his wife, Srimati K. Sunita, and is blessed with two sons, K. Kaushik and K. Subhash, both of whom are proudly following in their father's footsteps as practicing advocates. Since being sworn in as a judge of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh on the 8th day of December 21, Honorable Sri Justice K. Manmadha Rao has served the bench with distinction and dedication. In this relatively brief span, His Lordship has disposed of 11,920 cases, which is a remarkable achievement by every measure. This exemplary disposal rate not only reflects His Lordship's efficiency and deep understanding of the law, but also underscores his unwavering resolve to reduce the burden of pending cases and to uphold the cause of timely justice, which is the very cornerstone of public faith in the judiciary. His judgments have been widely celebrated for their clarity, precision, and profound grasp of legal principles. Many of these decisions have become guiding precedents and are frequently cited in respected legal journals. It is also worthy of note that Honorable Justice K. Manmadha Rao played a key role in the establishment of Civil Judge Junior Division Court at Singarayakonda, addressing a long-felt need in the region. Acknowledging the hardships faced by the local advocates and litigants who had to travel to Kandukur, His Lordship's sustained efforts were instrumental in bringing this court into existence, thereby enhancing access to justice for the people of the area. As Your Lordship embarks upon this new chapter in the Honorable Karnataka High Court, please know that your contributions to this institution will always be remembered and cherished. May your tenure in the Karnataka High Court be marked by continued success, fulfillment, robust health, and unwavering dedication to the cause of justice. And as we bid you farewell today, my Lord, we do so with deep respect and with the firm hope and confidence that your extraordinary journey will continue to scale even greater heights.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, I request the learned President of the AP High Court Advocates Association to speak on behalf of legal fraternity.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice Dheeraj Singh Thakurji, Honorable Justice K. Manmadha Rao Garu, Honorable Judges of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, family members of Honorable Justice K. Manmadha Rao Garu, Additional Solicitor General Sri Dhananjay Garu, Advocate General Dammalpati Srinivas Garu, Public Prosecutor Lakshminarayan Garu, Deputy Solicitor General Ponna Rao Garu, Senior Advocates, esteemed members of the Bar and other invitees. It is both a privilege and a bittersweet moment to gather here today to bid farewell to His Lordship Justice K. Manmadha Rao Garu on his transfer to High Court of Karnataka, a jurist of exceptional caliber whose contributions to the judiciary and the legal fraternity have left an indelible mark. Born in the serene village of Maipadu, Nellore district, to Sri K.J. Ramamurthy, a retired irrigation department engineer, and Srimati K. Jhansi Lakshmi, a homemaker. His Lordship's journey epitomizes the power of perseverance. His early education across Guntur, Prakasham and Nellore districts laid the foundation for a brilliant academic trajectory. From graduating in commerce to earning a PhD in law, His Lordship intellectual curiosity shone through. Whether a student union leader at NVP Law College, a scholar of cyber laws, or a receptionist of the prestigious Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Gyan Vignan Ratna Award in 2014. Enrolling with the Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh in the year 1991, His Lordship practice began under the mentorship of Sri Nagisetti Mohan Das. Over 3 decades, he distinguished himself as a versatile advocate, serving as standing counsel for institutions like BSNL, SBI, and LIC, while also championing the rights of the marginalized. His expertise spanned civil, criminal, constitutional, and service matters with notable tenures as Senior Standing Counsel for Central Excise and Special Public Prosecutor for the Enforcement Directorate and DRL, handling high-stake PMLA and NDPS cases. Appointed to the High Court on December 8, 2021, His Lordship's tenure has been nothing short of extraordinary. with 11,972 cases disposed in 727 days. His efficiency and dedication redefined judicial productivity. His landmark judgments, including a seminal ruling delivered in Telugu to honor regional language accessibility and contributions to service matters like compassionate appointment and plain returns, have set precedents guiding courts across the spectrum. His Lordship's commitment to justice extended beyond rulings. The inauguration of the court complex in Singaraikonda, his parents' native village, stands as a testament to his devotion to his roots. Few possess the vision to bridge institutional progress with community upliftment. Yet his Lordship transformed this ideal into reality. Behind every great success, every great jurist is a family of unwavering support. His Lordship's partnership with Srimati K. Sunita and the accomplishments of their sons K. Kaushik and K. Subhash, who are the practicing advocates in High Court of AP, along with daughter-in-law Srimati Udaya, reflect a legacy of legal excellence. They continue to thrive within these very halls. As we bid farewell today, we celebrate not just as a judge, but a mentor, a scholar, and a beacon of integrity. His Lordship's journey from the classroom of Kavali to the equivalence of High Court reminds us that justice, when paired with empathy and erudition, becomes a transformative force. Thank you, my Lord, for your extraordinary services in High Court of Andhra Pradesh, and best wishes for the chapter ahead as Judge of the High Court of Karnataka. Thank you.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I request Honorable Dr. Justice K. Manmadha Rao Garu to give reply.
Respected Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Judges, Learned Additional Solicitor General Sri Dhananjay Garu, Learned Advocate General D. Srinivas Garu, President of the Bar Chidambaram Garu, Public Prosecutor Lakshminarayana, and Deputy Solicitor General Kumbhajadala Rao, and other bar members, registry officers, co-staff and dear friends and well-wishers. At this important moment, as I prepare to take up a new responsibility at the Karnataka High Court, I stand before you with deep gratitude and reflection on my journey here in the High Court of Andhra Pradesh. I had the honor of being appointed as a judge of this Honorable High Court on 8th December 2021 and took oath in the name of Constitution of India instead of in the name of God. Over the years, I served to uphold the dignity and responsibility of this post with honesty, discipline and a strong sense of duty. During my tenure, I have had the privilege of disposing of approximately 11,972 cases in 722 days, which was not just a number. It reflects countless hours of hearings, thoughtful deliberations, and the tireless cooperation of the members of the bar and staff. My aim was always to provide timely and reasoned justice, and in that effort, I believe many advocates and parties were able to find clarity and resolution in their legal battles. I always tried to ensure that no litigant should feel unheard or delayed in their path to justice. During this period, I also placed importance on creating a courtroom atmosphere that was respectful, efficient and inclusive, where young advocates felt confident in present their cases, and where the principles of justice is guided every decision. None of this would have been possible without the valuable support of my fellow judges and the staff of this registry and the ever cooperative members of the bar. I offer my heartfelt thanks to all of you. On the personal front, I owe immense gratitude to my family. My wife Sunita has been my anchor and support through all stages of life. My sons Kaushik and Subhash and my daughter-in-law Srimati Udaya, who are practicing advocates in this court, have made me proud by upholding the values of the legal profession with integrity. Now, as I am prepared to join the Karnataka High Court, I carry with the lessons, experiences, and goodwill that I have received here while I may be taking leave of this bench. The memories, friendships, and values formed here will always be remain close to my heart. The registrars and other staff of this court assisted me in excellent manner whenever there was any requirement regarding judicial work or administrative work. I appreciate the punctuality, honesty, and devotion towards work my personal secretary, Srimati Vijay Lakshmi, and the additional personal secretary, Mr. Prem Kumar Reddy, and earlier who worked with me, Sri P. Kishore Kumar and Mr. Nagaraju, Sri Subhani and J. Sujata, and the court officer, Sri Babu Rao, court masters Sharif, Raviteja, Maunika, Rajarajeshwari, Chandrika, and Ms. Bhashya and Mr. Tharun, who are working as law clerks. The attendants, Shivashankar, Jamir, and Ashok, who are working in court hall and chamber, and the driver Ramesh. They never gave me any chance to adverse remarks against them. I appreciate the excellent services provided by medical protocol to me and my family wherever need arose. I also appreciate the services rendered by the protocol team available at the airport and railway stations, that is Mr. Anil and Mr. Achibabu and the medical staff Basha and Suresh. I will not be fair enough on my part if I do not mention the outstanding services rendered by my staff at my residence, who made me and my family comfortable in every manner. This would not have been possible without the personal supervision of the overseer and the registrar management, P. Ramakrishna, and also the service rendered by the AP High Court Employees Association President Mr. Venugopal. I also appreciate the services rendered by my personal security service officers Suresh and Mr. Ram Reddy, who used to walk and run along with me at every moment. I also appreciate the services rendered by police guards at my residence, who taken care of the security of my house and family members. I express my gratitude to all the collegium members at the time of my transfer for giving me such an excellent experience and exposure. I thank you all once again for the love, support, and cooperation extended to me during this journey. I seek your blessings and best wishes as I step into a new chapter. Thanking you. Jai Hind.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I declare that the proceedings are concluded.